Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rainbow City local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the right cheap Rainbow City moving company for your needs isn't always easy. However, with 3 Movers, you get affordable pricing and excellent service. Our local and long-distance moving services provide you with everything you need. We have helped plenty of homeowners, business owners, renters, students, and veterans move. If you choose to hire us for your long-distance move, you gain access to the following options. Packing services. The right packing and unpacking team can help save you a ton of time when moving. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are top quality and offer the right options for your needs. An on-time move. We show up at the scheduled time ready to get to work for you. There will be no delays on moving day. Upfront pricing. With our moving estimates, you get the accurate pricing you need to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. It's important to choose a trusted moving company that will keep your things protected throughout the move. If you need to relocate one state over or across the country, we can help. Our team offers the right long-distance moving services for your needs. We know how to get you moved quickly and efficiently without all the stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rainbow City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.